The earth, the water, the fire, the air, return, 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 return. The earth, the water, the fire, the air, return, 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 return. The earth, the water, the fire, the air, return, 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 return. The earth, the water, the fire, the air, return, 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 return. Mother, I feel you under my feet. Mother, I hear your heartbeat. Mother, I feel you under my feet. Mother, I hear your heartbeat. Hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, ho. Hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, ho. Hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, ho. Hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, ho. Oh, blessed nature spirits, children of Mother Earth in the angelic realms, beloved elementals, beings of pure spiritual energy, crystal and flower devas, beings of light who unlock the power of inner healing, and fairies who tend to our animal and plant friends. Thank you to you of many names who dwell in the forests, mountains, and water sources, dancing behind the veil that once fluttered invisibly before my eyes. I am honored by your presence in this sacred space. I have asked and stilled my mind. May your wisdom and magic infuse me yet again. I am listening. Welcome home, dear one. Just as the acorn holds within it the blueprint to become a great oak, you too are ready to burst out of your shell, to reach higher and higher, and to embody the life and light divinely designed within you. Listen, for out of the darkness, out of the silence, thunders the cosmic sound Om. You were born, nurtured, and held safely on Mother Earth's ample lap. And though storms may dampen your spirits, they awaken deeper strengths, calling you forth. Do not hide from your true self. Drink deeply of life, beloved child of Mother, Father, God. Trust that your challenges happen for you, not to you. Step through delusion and fear to quench your thirst in the light. Break through the walls of your ego shell. Trust the flow of truth to embrace the mystery. Gone is our bondage with the dawn of new freedom. Gone is delusion in the light. You are home within yourself, no matter where you are. You are safe. You are loved. You are divinely guided, one inspired step at a time. Open your heart to the divine spark within. Let it lead you beyond your perceived limitations. Appreciate the varied textures of your path. Look for the signs we place there for you. Follow your bliss as your service to humanity. You are a prayer in action, in constant transformation. Know we are here for you always. Join us often in nature to reconnect as you did when you were a child. We are still here to support you on your journey. Soar in the glow of divine love.